Good morning. Happy Thursday, which is basically your guys' Friday. So today you are going to do three different things. So the first thing you're going to do is go in and watch some videos of mine that I posted on the classwork page. So right here, this 10-8 helpful videos for your narrative. It's going to pull up these two videos. One's going to be about strong endings, and the other one, actually, I think I went on from it. It's on how to punctuate dialogue. So those are the two things that I've kind of noticed we're struggling with. So one is on punctuation and dialogue, which many of you need to look at. And the other one is on personal narrative story endings. So in case you're struggling with concluding your story, I wanted to include that for you. So after you've done that, you're going to go back onto the narrative reflection. So this is the assignment posted for today, and it's just going to work you through your narrative today. This is very similar to your on-demand reflection. So it'll start looking like, did you use any second person point of view? If you did, go back and now and fix those. So you definitely want to have up one tab of your narrative paper. And if you have to unsubmit it, and then just resubmit. And then the other tab would be this reflection. So that way you're doing both things at once. So you're going to continue going through these. It asks about transitions. It asks about your dialogue. It asks about your indentions, etc. At the end, I do ask, what's one thing you're still confused on, and what's one thing that maybe you've learned or that you've had a misconception cleared up or whatever. So if you can, let me know that. And then you'll just hit submit, and so then that will be completed. Remember that this is based on your narrative, so I would much prefer you answer honestly on here and then just go back and fix it. Again, it's just a way for me to see, how are you doing on this? Are you going back and revising? Or can you edit? Because that is one of our standards. Can you revise? Can you edit? So you will complete that, and then you will make sure that your narrative is turned in. So today I've given you these to help. So watch my video, which is what you're doing. Watch the helpful videos for your narrative. Complete the narrative in your reflection page. And remember, that is right here where it says turn in narrative here. That's where you want to turn it in. Hopefully you looked at the exemplars yesterday because there's some really good examples on there. And then, yeah, so there's really minimal things today, just the reflection pretty much, if you're all caught up. If you're not caught up, that's what you're going to spend your time today doing. Tomorrow you will have a literary devices quiz, which, if you remember, hint, hint, nudge, nudge, it should be very similar. And you're also going to have just a simple USA test prep assignment. It'll probably just be one of the 10 question practices. And so I will assign that to you tomorrow morning. Now, to my group A friends, what I'd like for you to do today is I'd like you to actually do the same thing that my group B did the other day. Go through to your email and shoot me an email, and just let me know how everything's going with you right now. I will only provide you a little extra credit if your core is attached. So if you don't attach your core and your full name, I will not provide you with any extra credit. So it's worth doing if you want a little extra credit. And also it lets me know that, hey, you're watching my videos. And today's was super short. So tomorrow's will be too. It'll just be like a, hey, how's it going? And I'm just going to let you know some stuff for when we come back from fall break. So I will see you tomorrow, and I hope that today goes well for you at home. Some people text me on Google Voice yesterday. Feel free to do that. I will be here at my computer most of the day, so feel free to email me if you need a quick response on something. And yeah, I will talk to you tomorrow, guys. Bye.